Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page. Be a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. Link is in the bio. I have some special treats for you. Your word of the day is balance. Mind, body, and spirit is key today at this moment. Balancing your mind, that means reading. Exercise your mind. The things that interest you is time to crack open a book, educate yourself, get that mind working out. Exercise your body. Take a walk, sit-ups, push-ups, jumping jacks, whatever to the extent that you can do to work your body out. Then start getting that sweat out and work that body. And your spirit. It's time to develop and dive into your prayer, meditation, and into your going out to the elements life. Taking in all this natural energy. Asking, but then listening. Speak, but then listen for the proper gems that are going to be given to you. That's how you balance mind, body, and spirit. And that's going to help you excel to the next level. Not only excel, I mean skyrocket. I find balance between each sphere of my life. I am the master of my daily life. I make time to nourish the spiritual and the physical. Mind, body, and spirit. I bring love to my world by fulfilling the needs of my body and soul and restoring the balance in your mind, body, and spirit. That makes you not only eligible, but that pushes you to the next intellect, that opens up your intelligence as you see the things that everyone doesn't naturally see. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself, love you too.